Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna have to talk like super low because everybody in my house like sleep. So today I'll be doing a review over some tools to fix a watch. Not fix, but like you know how you get a watch and sometimes your wrist may be super skinny and you gotta adjust the links or slash change the battery to a watch. Well, I got like a little $13 tool set off of eBay to fix a watch. So y'all can see this one. I had to I kind of like used a screwdriver to fix this one, but like you could use these tools to push out the pin because this one was too big for me, so I had to remove a link. And then this one right here, this little silicone watch my aunt got for me. The battery, like I had to use a tool to get these notches off. Hold on. It's not like a I don't. It's like it's not like a real name brand, but I can't find a name brand anywhere. So if y'all feel like it, look up this watch. Cause my aunt be buying stuff from Germany and all that crap, so I don't know where this came from. So yeah, and like so, what it came with, I'm not really a watch person, so yeah, it would have been better for me to undo all these. Let me see. This right here, it ain't been budging. Hold up. Actually, I don't even need to take it out. But this right here is so some watch backs you can like take them off, watch back. You see these little notches right here? You have to put this machine, this little thing right here, like that, and you gotta twist it around like a wrench. So that's what this is for. And it has these little knobs right here. The knobs are like these. Hold on, let me unscrew it. Actually, this is what these are right here. So basically, you find a notch that fits in here. Say you got a rollie or something. You find a notch that fits, put it on there, you screw it around. So my watch wasn't wide enough for these two, like right here, because you can adjust it. Like you got a little kid's watch or you got like a man's watch, you could adjust it, but my watch was too big for this part. So I had to do these two and then, twist around. So this right here, these little tools right here, like I said, I'm not an expert. Like I'm just like guessing. Like you can infer that these like little thin needles right here are for taking out pins. So let me show you what a pin is. If you don't know know watches that well, you see these little circles right here. Well, they're marked on which ones you could push out to make your watch smaller or bigger. So yeah. So that's what these little tools right here for. They have grip on them. You hear that? They have grip on them, so you know that they're very high quality. This little thingy-majabber right here. So basically, this is like, if ever worked in like a tool factory, not a tool factory, but like, let's say you're working on a very expensive watch and you don't want it to, like, you don't want it to hold the watch. You put the watch in here. So, like, that's what I had to do for this one. You sit it in there and make sure it's all the way in. You take this part right here and you screw it in. So it's like a vise. So, yeah, that part. Yeah. So that's how you do it for this one. This, I am guessing this is for you to push pins out as well. So it's like these right here, but you hold, you get the watch, put it in there, and you push the needle to push out a pin. This right here, I'm thinking like this is like just, like to lift, like pry something open like that. Just to pry. And this right here is a hammer. And it's actually like, if I wanted to, I could like, bang my desk. A very good hammer. Like, it's like heavy. Like you could hit somebody upside the head and have a knot in their head. But yeah, so it's a good hammer. Like taking the pins out of this watch right here, I I could have used a hammer to hit the pins back in. But yeah, so that's a hammer. Tweezers. So some watch, kits come with pliers, actual needle nose pliers, but these are tweezers. So this, I'm gonna show you how good this would be used for. So when I did the when I got to open the battery, trying to access the battery, I was picking. I was like, bro, where the battery at? So like I had to remove this little plastic part. The battery is like it's right under there. I can't do it because I'm using one hand to film. But yeah. So let me see. Yeah, these are just. I'm gonna show y'all like the heads of it, just in case you're looking for a certain type of head. You can see that's like a V shape, like a tooth or something like that. It's like a point. Yeah. So yeah, this is like $13, and yeah, it's very useful. Like it's just somewhere to sit in the house. You ain't got to take the watch to somebody. Well, if you have a luxury watch, you go ahead and take it to a professional. But if you got like a little cheaper, like I do, $20 Target watch, you go ahead and change your batteries. So yeah, let me see the back to this watch. Oh, I might as well undo it. I'm just trying to see the back. So you can see this watch. This watch isn't like a snap-on. I mean, the one with the notches. So you see how, where is it at? You see how this one has the notches in it? This one right here doesn't. So with that one, you could use that orange tool and like something sharp like a knife to lift it up out of there. But don't be careful and don't cut yourself. But yeah. So I'll put the link in the description if like somebody's watching this and they need to do some work on their watch. If I got any information wrong in here, go ahead and correct me, because I was just doing an educated guess. Like you don't have to be that smart to know that you push out pins and stuff like that. So yeah. So thank you for watching.